The best side hustle to start with if you have no money and don't want to show your face on camera. It's 100% free, completely legit, and could fully turn into your full-time hustle. First, you're going to go to clickbank.com and create a free profile. Once you're in, you're going to go to the affiliate marketplace. There's a bunch of different categories you can choose from, but for this example, we're going to do health and fitness. Sort the results by gravity because that means that a lot of people are buying it. For this example, I'm going to choose this yoga burn because it has a good gravity number and you don't want that to be under 20, and the average conversion is relatively high. Once you click on promote, this screen will pop up and you're going to put in your account nickname. Once you click generate hop links, you're going to get this link and you need to save this because it's how you're going to get paid. Now you're going to go to pexels.com and type the niche that your product is in into the search bar. When you click on them, you can download them for free, and you're going to do that for a bunch of pictures. Next, you're going to go to pinterest.com and create a free profile that describes what your niche is. Now you're going to create a pin with the picture that you chose. Make sure your description and your title have keywords that other people would be looking for when they're looking for this product. And the last step is to add the link into the bottom field here. Every time someone clicks on that link and buys the product, you earn a commission. Try to do this with at least a couple different pictures each day. The more you post, the better. This is called affiliate marketing, and it's the reason that hundreds of people have been able to quit their 9-to-5s and live the laptop lifestyle. If you want to learn in depth how I made this my full-time income in just a couple months, go check out the link in my bio.